All right, let's get graphing. We're solving these graphically. Line 1, y-intercept is 1. Slope, 3/2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That meant I was going up and to the right. Also, I could go down and left. So down, 1, 2, 3, left 2, just to get a few more points on the line. So here's the first line. Make it long and make sure it has arrows. Then we're going to switch colors for the second line. Y-intercept is the same. Slope is 6/4. That's up and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are going to be the same line because I've got 2 points that are the same, so I don't have to draw anymore. So since it's the same line, that is infinite solutions. On the next slide, we'll justify. There are infinite solutions because the graphs are the same line. Right? They intersect everywhere, so infinite solutions. Practice problem 4. Let's graph it out. Y-intercept +1. Slope 1/2. We're going up and to the right. Up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. I'm also going to go down and left just in case. Down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. I think that's plenty of points. Connect them. Make sure your line is long and has arrows. Then for line 2, you need a different color. Our y-intercept is -2, so it's not the same line. It's not infinite. Our slope is 2/1, positive, up and to the right. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. So I see that point of intersection. So this one is not parallel, and it's not the same line. This one has an answer. The answer is a 2, 2. So there's one solution, which is at 2, 2, and there's one solution because the lines intersect. So there is one solution, 2, 2, because the lines intersect. So I could have checked this one, but the answer didn't ask me to check it. It asked me to explain how do I know that that is the solution and that there's only one solution, because the lines intersect at 2, 2. That's how I know that's the answer. That's it. Time for your exit ticket.